Hello dear children, I hope you all are well there. So today in this creative writing section, I'm going to teach how to write down a diary entry. I'm going to teach you what is the correct format of writing a diary entry. So last year also I have taught you, but again because every year we will make you learn how to write it, because in class 10th these type of questions do come. So I have taught you the lesson, the young girl and her diary, in which Annie Frank used to write down all important things in her diary. When they were hiding out during the Second World War, she used to write down the problems, the things which gave her happiness, all the important things, because at that time she was not having any friend. So she made her diary her best friend, and she used to write down each and every important thing in that diary. So after her death, their friends found that diary in the hideout place. So her father published that diary, and that became a bestseller. So now you have come to know why diary entry is important. We have to write down the important things in the diaries. You must have seen your father, you must have seen your teachers. They write down their meetings, they write down important things in the diaries. So let's learn how we write the diary entry. So first of all, we have to remember while writing a diary entry that sometimes we give you the question that you have to imagine. Suppose I say आपके पापा ने आपको laptop gift किया and write down the diary entry about it, then you have to imagine, you have to think how you would have felt when your father must have given you the laptop. This is all based on imagination and creativity. So in the exam, we have to write down whatever we imagine, and that should come in your writing. That is called as a creative writing. Now, second point is that we should write as if you have really been a part of the situation, because we give you the situation. According to that, you have to feel and you have to write down. It is written in the first person because you are writing the diary and you are addressing your best friend diary. So you will write down the first person. For first person, you know, I'm the first person, you will write down I. Okay, second person is you and third person is he and she. So one does not write about things experienced on a daily basis, only matters of some significance. In your diary, you will not write down daily that I get up early in the morning, I sleep at 12 o'clock or 9 o'clock, I have eaten this and that. So don't write the things which you are facing daily, which is your habit. You will write the important things which can be recorded in that diary. It is a secret record of one's life. No one can see it, feel it. Okay, that is your own emotion or feeling. Now, this is the format of writing a diary. First of all, you will write down. I will just show you. First of all, you will write down the date. Okay, date, whatever date is that, you will write down date. Write down the date on which you are writing that diary, or during the exam, you will write down the date of that exam. It contains half marks. Then you will write down day. Okay, so tomorrow, if I'll teach you the diary entry, tomorrow is 5th October, you will write down 5th October. Okay, then you will write down the day of that day. Time, generally we write down the time in the evening, we write down the diary in the evening, that is also. So all these topics, they contain half marks. Dear diary, when you are writing dear diary, that also contains half marks. Now body of the diary is of 3 marks. Body of the diary, whatever you are writing in that diary about your experience, your emotions, all that thing, you will write down. That is called as the body. Now at the last you will write down good night dear diary. ठीक है, ये लिखेंगे तो आपको half marks. When you will write down your name, that is of half marks. I hope it is clear till now. Now points to remember again. Start your diary entry, dear diary. Write in one paragraph, which must be of 8 to 10 sentences. It depends upon. Write at first person as first person using I and we. Write in the past tense because whatever happened during the day, that happened, हो चुका है. जो हो चुका है उसको आप past tense में लिखेंगे. You will not write present tense. You can use present perfect also, but past tense. You can use present perfect in future tense also. Imagine कर रहे हैं, future में अगर कोई चीज imagine कर रहे हैं, then you will write down future tense also. Present perfect I already taught you. With has and have we write down the third form of the verb. I have eaten, he has finished. Okay, all these are the present perfect. And in future we use will be. So describe not only what you saw but also what you felt. जो कुछ आपकी फीलिंग है, जो देखा है वही नहीं डिस्क्राइब करेंगे, आपने क्या फील किया है. Suppose your father has given you a laptop and you have to write down a diary entry. How happy you were at that time, you will write it down. Use lots of adjectives describing words, describing words, and similes. You know about similes, when we compare two things, as beautiful as a fairy, as red as a blood, all these things are the similes, describing word, adjectives, you know. So use a variety of punctuation, capital letter, full stop, comma, exclamation mark also, all these things you will use while writing. That writing will show your creativity. Use capital letter at the start of the sentence. Okay. Now this is a sample which you have to write down in your notebook. Yesterday it was your first day in your new school. You made new friends, teachers were good to you, and you liked the infrastructure of the school. Infrastructure means the building, okay, ground, building, computer room, all these comes in the infrastructure. Write about your experiences and feelings about the new school in your diary. So as आप लोगों की ट्रांसफर होता रहता है, you go to new school, and how you feel. Many of you have come to our school, joined our school, they must be studying in some different school. आपको कैसा लगा है, that feeling you have to write down in the diary entry. Now here it is a sample, just listen. Dear diary, today I joined my new school. It was a very, देखो पूरा past tense है. It was a very nice and exciting. My class teacher was very nice to me. She introduced me to the entire class. I sat with Neha, the monitor of the class. She helped me in every way possible. She gave me her notebook, shared her lunch with me. She even helped me with my classwork. So here you will see the diary. This diary entry is written in paragraphs. This is the first paragraph, this is the second and the third one. So whatever happened, she has written. Then the best thing I liked about the school was the library. It was big and spacious. I am a passionate reader and I found many books of my favorite authors. The computer lab was well equipped with the latest model of computers. So here you will see all the verbs. This is verb, this is verb, okay, was, helping verb, introduce, all this is written in a past tense. आपको ये याद रखना है कि हमने past tense में ही लिखना है. ये देखो जिसमें मैंने underline किया है, it is past tense. I like, I liked. Was, I में use हुआ है first person. I आपको अपने बारे में लिखना है. I look forward to going to school tomorrow. Now I am not missing my old friends and all. Now I'm going to sleep as I have to get up early in the morning, get ready to go to school. यहाँ पर good night diary लिखेंगे आप. यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ नहीं है, but you will write down good night diary and bubbly, because good night diary का भी half marks है. Always remember these things, and this format you will remember. It is first of all date, day and time. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay positive, and I hope now you will be able to write down diary entry properly. और आप जब डायरी एंट्री लिख रहे हैं बेटा, एक हैबिट बना लो कि आप डायरी लिखो. Whatever is happening throughout the day, you write it down. It will improve your creativity, it will improve your vocabulary, it will improve your writing style, and simultaneously you will become a very good writer. Thank you very much.